Hello, my students. Really missed you. Today we're going to explain the present simple tense, which we already know about it. We're going to revise the present simple tense, and we're going to explain the present continuous tense. Here we go. Here are the examples for the present simple tense and present continuous tense as well. Here are the sentences for the present continuous tense. Please don't do so much noise. I am working. I am working. Is she driving to work now? Is she driving to work now? And here are the sentences for the present simple tense. It's nurses look after patients in hospitals. The earth goes around the sun. Does she play tennis every day? We talked before that the present simple tense, we use the present simple tense when we talk about two things, habits or facts. Habits, something you do every day, every week, or every year. And facts, it's from the facts about you, or the facts, the general facts, scientific ones, geographical ones, and the historical ones. So after we have reviewed the sentences, we are going to move to the form. Here are the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. We'll take first the affirmative form. The affirmative form, as we said before, the pronouns, we have the pronouns for two groups. Group 1, I, you, we, they, and the plurals. He, she, it, and the singulars. The first group, I, you, we, they, and the plurals take the infinitive or the verb only. But he, she, it singulars take verb plus s, es, or I, es. This is the affirmative form of the present simple tense. The negative form, the two groups, the pronouns I, you, we, they, and the plurals take don't and the verb in the infinitive form. Here are the next group, he, she, it, and the singulars take doesn't and the verb. This is the negative form in the present simple tense. Here is the interrogative form or the question form of the present simple tense. Here are the two groups. The first group, I, you, we, they, and the plurals, we start the question with do. We start the question with do. And the second group, he, she, it, and the singulars, we start our question with does. And the present simple tense, we talked before the keywords for the present simple tense, which are every day, every week, every month, usually, sometimes, often, always, daily. Here are the keywords for the present simple tense. Let's move to the next tense we're taking today. The new one is the present continuous tense. We'll take the affirmative form. It's verb to be, am, is, are, plus verb, plus ing. Let's take an example. She is writing a book. The present continuous tense, we use the present continuous tense when we talk about something happening at the meantime. At the moment, I am doing something now. The act is happening now. We use verb to be, am, is, are with the pronouns plus verb plus ing, like she is writing a book. The next one, the negative form, it's verb to be, am, is, are with not with the verb plus ing. The example here, he isn't playing football now. He isn't playing football now. It's negative and it's about an action happening at the meantime. The next form is the interrogative form or the question form. It's verb to be, am, is, are. We start with the verb to be, then the subject, then the verb plus ing, like is he going to go to his mom now? Is, we start with the verb to be, and always the answer is with yes or no answer. Yes, he is, or no, he isn't. So the question, we start with the verb to be. Is he going to go to his mom now? And like we said before, to the present simple tense, we're taking the keywords for the present continuous tense, which are now, at the moment, listen, look. When we see these keywords, we should bring the sentence in the present continuous tense. Again, I will review with both the two tenses, the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. We took the affirmative. We have two groups in the present simple tense. The group A, I, you, we, they take the verb, and the plurals take the infinitive or the verb only. In the negative, we put don't or doesn't. In the interrogative, the first group we start the question with do. The second group, we start the question with does. And the keywords for the present simple tense: every, usually, sometimes, often, always, and daily. And for the present continuous tense, the affirmative form, we bring the verb to be with the verb with ing, like she is riding. With the negative form, we bring verb to be, not verb ing. The interrogative, we start with the verb to be. We start with verb to be, and this is a yes or no question. And this is a yes or no question. The keywords for the present continuous tense are now, at the moment, listen, and look. Now we're moving to practice. We will practice on the two verbs on the next video.